Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Airtable for event planning and management for a seamless 2025 event experience. First up, we'll create a new base in Airtable. This is your event's control center, where you can manage every detail. The reason we do this is to have a central location for all event-related data, from catering to attendee lists. Having set up our base, it's time to create tables for each area of our event. We'll have tables for attendees, venues, schedules, and so forth. Now, this helps us because it helps us keep each aspect of our event separate, but still easily accessible. Next up, let's add records to our tables. A record could be an attendee's details, a venue's address, or a scheduled activity. This helps us because records provide the granular details that make up the bigger picture of our event. Now that we've done that, we'll link related records across different tables. For instance, we can link an attendee to a specific schedule. Let me explain why this matters. Linking records allows us to see relationships between different aspects of our event, making it easier to manage. Finally, we'll use Airtable's calendar and Kanban views to visualize our event planning progress. The reason we do this is to get a bird's-eye view of our event. It helps us track progress and spot potential issues before they become serious problems. And there you have it. A quick guide on how to use Airtable for event planning and management. Start leveraging Airtable today and make your event planning a breeze. Until next time, happy planning.